everybody, it's cooking time again. Today what I'm going to do for you all, probably you've had it from your grandma, like me, rice porridge. Now in my younger days, rice porridge was made with the leftover rice from the day before. So my mom would whip up a nice rice porridge and send us off. But you can also start your rice porridge with uncooked rice. Just will take just a little longer because you have to wait now for the rice to be cooked. So now I have some cooked rice here. It wasn't leftover, I just cook it for the show. So I'm gonna put it together and let you see our famous rice porridge. I'm using regular milk, but you can also use coconut milk. But if you're using coconut milk from the can, I would put half of coconut milk from the can and half of regular milk, just to give it another flavor or taste or whatever. When I was growing up, whatever was available in the milk form, that's what we use. Whether it be that milk, sweetened condensed milk, coconut milk, or as we say, cow's milk. Or bottled milk. Got that, Angela? There's a little history lesson from the old days. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to put the milk in the saucepan. And I'm going to put the spices in. I'm going to add some vanilla to the mixture. And now I'm going to add the rice. I'm waiting for it to start boiling or bubbling. And it's about to start boiling, then I can start stirring again. Then I start stirring again and stirring again. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to put some raisins in. Like I said before, I like the raisins. It's optional.
Mama, when I used to remember what you used to do too, put a little blob of jam in it.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah, or a little blob of butter.
Oh.
So here's the cornstarch dissolved in cold water. And I'm going to add it to my pan.
It's getting nice and thick.
Mm-hmm. And if you're not going to have it right away, you should make it a little thinner, because if you leave it sitting, it gets really thick. So I've got my sweetened condensed milk here, and I'm going to add it as a sweetener to the porridge. Now you add according to the sweetness that you like. So I won't give you, say, add 2, 3, 4, whatever. You keep pouring until you get the sweetness that you like. Okay? So this is Faye's Jamaican rice pudding, all ready to serve. I've got my bowl over there, ready to serve Angela some of my rice pudding. I'm going to look for the piece of cinnamon stick and get it out of here. Here's Faye's Jamaican rice porridge. Have a go and enjoy for breakfast, lunch or dinner, whenever you feel like. I don't have any special time for having anything. If I feel like something and I have the energy to go ahead and make it, I make it. for whatever time of day that might be. And as you know, if you've been following us, you know you can get all the recipe with all the measurements at cooklikeajamaican.com. That's on our website and Facebook. Hello! Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, just press the button below and subscribe, and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that, and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.